I'll be starting off with moisturizing my face, and for that I'll be using the Souhit Essentials Flawless Skin Facial Oil. So it's very moisturizing. I have received in one of the boxes, I think this month only. I'm going to apply a few drops of it on my face. Go place to place looking for. Since I haven't received any primer in any of the boxes, I'll be using one product that can be used as a primer as well. It's the Cocoon Insta-Lift Wrinkle Filler with Vitamin A. This is the one. This I think I had received in one of the boxes earlier this year. This has a transparent and very smoothing texture. This is how it looks. It's totally transparent and it gives a blurring effect on the skin and instantly minimizes all the imperfections. Again, since I haven't received any foundation in any of the boxes, so I'll be using the Cocoon Eternal Youth All-in-One Smart Cream BBCC and Photo Defense. This is the one. It has a skin tone and it is quite a nice one. I have used it. So I'm going to dab it on my entire face. I don't have any concealer that I have received in any of the boxes, so I'll be applying the same Cocoon BB cream, BBCC or whatever, Eternal Youth cream on the spots and under eye area, and apply a second coat of it. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to use a shade from a face palette from Nicka because I don't have any eyebrow related product that I have received in any of the boxes. So I'm going to use the Nicka 99 Dreamy Rose palette, and I'm going to use the shade as my eyebrow filler. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'll move to my eye makeup, and for that also I'm going to use this Nicka 99 palette in Dreamy Rose. It's a beautiful palette. First I'm going to take this shade . For the base, I'm going to take this pink shade. From the center, I'll be applying this champagne shade. one that I have used for my eyebrows. I want to use a pressed glitter because I want a glamorous eye look. So let's see how it works. I'm going to use the TS Cosmetics pressed glitter in the shade White Gold. And now I'm going to use the Elenblu eyeliner. Then I'm going to apply the Elenblu waterproof mascara. The eyeliner is obviously not the best one because it's very liquidy and it's not at all pigmented. So I'm going to use the kajal once again on top of the eyeliner. You know, if you cannot make a good eyeliner, stick to your kajals. That will be better. And this kajal I think is quite good, but I cannot say the same for the Elenblu eyeliner. It's really bad. So I'm going to smooth this out a bit because I didn't want to do it, but the eye area has been messed up just because of the eyeliner. So I'm going to smoke it out a bit, and for that I'll be needing a smudger brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dark brownish shade, the same one that I had used for my crease color and also my eyebrow, because I don't have much option. I don't get a lot of products on my in my subscription boxes that are related to eye makeup, and frankly this Nicka palette is the only palette that I have received till date in a subscription box. I'll put another coat of mascara because I think that way it will be a little better maybe. Again, the mascara is not that great also. But can't help because that's the only mascara that I have received in any subscription box. I have to apply another coat of concealer. Since I don't have a concealer, I'm going to use the same Eternal Youth cream from Cocoon, and try to mend the situation a bit. It's not the prettiest of sights. Anyway, I cannot be complaining because I have taken the challenge, so I have to complete it. I wish I had received a powder. Pressed powder would have done as well, but I haven't received any pressed powder or any powder, face powder, nothing. of that sort in any of the subscription boxes, so that I could have applied it for baking. But it was very much needed for this look that I am going to create. Let's not complain further and let's move forward to the next step, that is contouring. So for contouring, I am using the same Nicka Cake palette and using the contouring shade, which is here. Now I'm going to use this light highlighter shade from Nicka Cake. To use a blusher, and for that I'm going to use the Nicka Cake Duo Blusher, and I'm going to use this shade because this one is too bright. I don't want that. I'm ready for the next step of highlighter, and that's the Mior Heavenly Glow Cream Highlighter. Let's try this. This is the first time I'm going to try it. I forgot to do something, and that is brightening the inner side of my eye. For that I'll be using this white shade from Nicka Cake. I'm almost done. The only thing that I'm left with is good lip color. So for my lips, I'm going to use the Voste Perfect Pout Sheer Cream Last Lipstick, and the shade that I'm going to use is Satin Pink. This is the one. Let's see. That's it. That is the look that I have created with all makeup products, all products that I had received in subscription boxes. Nothing, I didn't cheat a bit. Everything that I have used today, all the makeup products, makeup items are from my subscription boxes. There are products from My Envy box, Glow box, Ivy bag, Euphorbia box, then Glamigo, and Vanity Cask. So the last, but to glam up the entire look, I'm going to wear this earrings that I have received in Euphorbia box, and this is one of my favorite earrings. It looks so bright, so beautiful, this tassel earring. And I'll be back after setting my hair.